How to transfer stocks from Etrade to Interactive Brokers. Make sure your Etrade and Interactive Brokers accounts are active. Have your Etrade account number and the details of the assets you want to transfer. Log into your IB account via the client portal. Navigate to Transfer and Pay and Transfer Positions. Choose ACATS, Automated Customer Account Transfer Service. When asked for the delivering broker information, select or enter Etrade. You'll need to provide your Etrade account number. Then select a transfer method and click on Select. Review the information you've entered. Submit the request. The transfer process typically takes 5 to 7 business days. You can monitor the status in the IB client portal. Once the transfer is complete, check both your Etrade and IB accounts to ensure all assets have been transferred as expected. Thanks for watching.